Horse meat sausages are a simple dish that wins over everyone, from seniors to kids, even the pickiest eaters. Have you saved this dish yet to add to your family's weekend menu? Come along as we explore the process of producing thousands of horse meat sausages at the factory. Drop a 1 to let me know you'll watch the entire video with me. The process of making horse meat is a complex one, demanding precision and strict adherence to food safety regulations. It all kicks off with ensuring the horses are transported to the processing facility in good conditions, minimizing stress for the animals. First off, the horses are held in a waiting area, where they get to rest up and undergo thorough health checks. Once given a clean bill of health, they're led to the sedation zone. This part starts with knocking the horses out either mechanically or with some fancy electronic gadgets. Once they're out cold, the workers get down to the nitty-gritty of skinning and carving up the meat. Preparing horse meat is a technical process that demands skill, care, and patience. First up, each piece of horse meat undergoes a thorough filtering to remove excess fat and tendons, ensuring a tender texture and pure flavor. The meat is then sliced into just right-sized chunks before being finely ground, using specialized machinery to achieve that smooth consistency and perfect binding for sausage filling. After the meat has been prepared, the seasoning process begins. Carefully selected spices are measured out with precision to create that signature flavor for horse meat sausages. Once the meat and spices blend, it's time for the stuffing into sausage casings. These casings are usually made from top-notch collagen. The sausage-making wizards will use a meat stuffing machine to stuff the meat and spice mixture into the casings evenly and tightly, making sure there's no empty space in the final product. The stuffing process also demands patience and finesse. Adjusting the pressure and stuffing speed must be done meticulously to ensure each sausage maintains a consistent texture and mouth-watering flavor. Once the stuffing dance is done, the sausages are cut into snug sections and move on to the next steps in the production line: cooking, packaging, and preservation. This ensures that every horse meat sausage achieves top-notch quality and flavor before reaching the eager hands of consumers. Steaming horse meat sausages before packaging is crucial for food safety. Through the steaming process, the sausages are placed in molds or hung up before being placed in a steamer. The boiling water in the steamer creates high heat steam, ensuring even cooking and binding of the meat mixture. Steaming not only helps the horse meat retain its natural flavor, but also eliminates bacteria and harmful microorganisms. Additionally, steaming enhances the durability of the sausages, allowing the product to be preserved for an extended period while maintaining the best quality and flavor. The flavor of horse meat sausage offers a unique and enticing culinary experience. With a delicate blend of tender horse meat and exquisite spices, horse meat sausages leave a lasting impression. When indulging, the distinctive aroma of horse meat permeates, tantalizing the taste buds from the first glance. Each bite of sausage boasts a smooth and uniform texture, offering a rich but not overly heavy sensation. The sensation of sinking your teeth into each piece of sausage is a harmonious blend of the meat's natural sweetness and a subtle, lingering spiciness from the spices. Horse meat sausages are a perfect fusion of premium quality and uniqueness. Exploring horse meat sausages is an exciting experience for culinary enthusiasts, providing a sense of relaxation and satisfaction with every delicious bite. The horse rearing process is also a determining factor in the quality of horse meat for sausage making. First and foremost, the horse's living environment plays a crucial role in ensuring their health and mental well-being. Primarily, this involves the living space provided for them. A suitable rearing environment should offer ample space for horses to move freely and enjoy fresh air. The land should also be carefully maintained to ensure safety, with access to clean water and nutritious food sources. This ensures that horses have enough energy and nutrients to maintain optimal health. Safety conditions are also essential. Sturdy fencing systems and gates need to be established to prevent accidents and escape from the rearing area. If you're interested in visiting a horse farm, drop number 1. Mixing feed for horses is a crucial process to ensure they receive the necessary nutrients and energy for health and development. Horse feed typically consists of a blend of hay, grains, and supplemental foods like soybeans and various seeds. Carefully selecting and balancing these ingredients is vital to ensure horses receive complete nutrition. Additionally, regularly changing their diet and monitoring nutrient absorption is essential to ensure they maintain optimal health. Some other dishes similar to horse meat sausages can be found in various countries. Horse meat is crafted into sausage-like shapes with different characteristic flavors. For instance, kazy is a type of sausage made from horse meat and is considered a traditional dish in Kazakhstan and Central Asian countries. Last but not least, we can't forget about bresaola di cavallo, a dried horse meat dish from Italy, popular in the Lombardy region. Apart from producing delicious sausages, horse racing is also a cultural icon in many countries worldwide. A prime example is the Grand National Horse Race in Scotland, considered one of the biggest and most popular sporting events globally. With a tradition spanning centuries, this race isn't just a showcase of skill for jockeys and horses, it's also a chance for sports enthusiasts to soak up the lively and exhilarating atmosphere. In Spain, the San Fermin festival in the city of Pamplona is famous for its thrilling horse race. The horses dash through narrow streets, finish in a large area that draws the attention of thousands of spectators. Farewell to the lush green pastures with adorable horses. Let's now venture into the refreshing coconuts in the tropical region. Leave a 0 if you find this video dull. Keep watching which video. The coconut growing environment typically lies in tropical and subtropical regions where the climate is warm, sunny, and adequately moist. Suitable coconut soil includes sandy soil, peat soil, and limestone soil. Coastal areas or places near rivers with ample ventilation and high humidity are often the ideal environments for coconut trees to thrive. These conditions facilitate robust coconut growth and high yields, yielding top-quality coconuts. Harvesting coconuts is a meticulous process requiring skill, especially when they're grown in high altitude or rocky areas. Coconut harvesters often use tools like climbing poles, cutting knives, and ladders to reach the tall coconuts. They must work carefully to avoid dropping coconuts or injuring themselves. Once they reach the coconuts, harvesters use cutting knives to remove them from the tree. This requires precision and skill to ensure the coconuts remain undamaged and of high quality. After cutting, the coconuts are gathered into baskets or crates for transportation to processing facilities. In rural areas, coconut harvesting is often done manually with the assistance of local labor. However, on larger and more technologically advanced farms, equipment such as cranes or tractors may be used to streamline the coconut harvesting process. Whether done by hand or by machine, coconut harvesting requires patience and skill. This process not only ensures a steady coconut supply for the market, but also preserves the traditional livelihoods of rural communities. The cleaning and husking process of coconuts is a vital step in preparing them for processing and consumption. First, the coconuts are transported to cleaning stations, where workers will scrub away any dirt clinging to the surface by giving them a thorough rinse with water. Next up, the coconut husking process begins. Workers will use knives or machinery to strip the husk from the coconut. This requires finesse and skill, as coconut husks are often tough and thick. Once the husk is removed, the coconuts are meticulously inspected to ensure there are no remnants of husk or any other impurities. They are then moved on to the next stages of processing or packaging to prepare for export or consumption in the market. This process ensures that coconuts are thoroughly cleaned and prepared to meet the highest standards of food safety and quality. The process of extracting coconut water from the fruit is a crucial step in harvesting and utilizing coconuts. First, coconuts are carefully selected to ensure quality and ripeness. Once chosen, a portion of the coconut's top will be cut with a sharp knife to create a small hole. From this hole, coconut water will be extracted using a straw or specialized tool. This process demands precision and skill, as the water inside coconuts is typically sweet and pure, so it needs to be extracted carefully to avoid any impurities. Before bottling, coconut water is typically filtered through a filtration system to remove any remaining impurities. Then it's carefully poured into bottles to prevent spillage and waste. The coconut water bottles are then sealed or capped to ensure safety and quality. They're packaged and prepared for transportation to various stores and retail outlets. This process keeps the coconut water fresh and ensures that consumers get a high quality and safe product. Coconut is one of the most important and widely traded agricultural products globally, especially in the export sector. The Philippines, Indonesia, and Thailand are leading countries in the production and export of coconuts in the international market. Coconuts are exported in various forms, including coconut water, fresh coconut, dried coconut, shredded coconut, sliced coconut, and many other processed products. High-quality products, securely packaged, and meeting food safety standards are essential factors for coconut exports to capture the international market. In the New Zealand agriculture industry, cultivating millions of kiwi fruits demands not just precision, but also a hefty dose of flexibility and smarts at every turn. First off, prepping the soil and creating the ideal climate conditions is key to nurturing robust kiwi trees. With its temperate or cool subtropical climate, coupled with well-draining soil and gentle slopes, New Zealand proves ideal for kiwi cultivation. Throughout the kiwi planting and care process, flexibility comes into play when selecting propagation methods and managing vineyards. Instead of sowing seeds, grafting and vine management save time and energy, plus sturdy trellis systems and smart drip irrigation add flexibility and efficiency to the care routine. During harvest time, picking kiwis demands nimbleness to ensure that the fruits remain intact and undamaged during harvest and storage. Gentle handling and careful packaging are non-negotiable to guarantee the final product's quality and customer satisfaction. In the world of grape growers, the fascination doesn't just come from seeing lush rows of vines covering the land, but also from the marvelous stages of the grape growing process. From selecting grape varieties to choosing the planting location, each decision hides a blend of finesse and deep understanding of this plant. From tending to the vines, constructing trellises, watering, and fertilizing to pruning and pest control, every step is a meticulous investment and attention to detail. But what truly captivates grape growers is the harvest process. As the ripe bunches of grapes start to appear, the excitement lies not only in harvesting the fruit, but also in witnessing the grapevine's journey from a tiny seed to a sprawling canopy. For those growing grapes for winemaking, this process becomes even more magical as the harvested grapes aren't just precious raw material, but also embody their dedication and passion. Then comes the journey of turning grapes into wine. From crushing to fermentation and aging, it's a voyage to create artistic masterpieces of flavor and aroma, making awe become infinite and indescribable. Drop a one if you're tempted to work at this vineyard. Operating a crop harvester from the cabin demands ample experience and high concentration. In the enclosed space, operators can easily oversee the entire working area through swivel seats and supportive camera systems. With the main controls and display screens, they can precisely adjust speed, direction, and the harvester's operations. From firing up the machine to completing the task, each step is executed with precision and deep knowledge of machinery operation, ensuring efficiency and safety throughout the work process. It's a real harvest hustle in the cabin. And here's what you can spot outside the cabin. The ivory white wood is delicately and swiftly processed. Finally, the CTR Forester Pilus chainsaw with a power output of 2 festmeter is a reliable choice for wood cutting. With its powerful gasoline engine, 40 centimeters blade, and easy startup feature, this machine ensures high performance and user convenience. The anti-vibration system and ergonomic handles make precision work efficient and effective for users. Drop a 1 if you're absolutely stoked about watching our wood processing videos. Thank you for watching. Your companionship is our joy and motivation to create engaging videos every day. If you enjoyed this video, leave a 1 in the comments section. Any mistakes you point out will help us improve the quality of each video. Now goodbye and see you in the next videos. Welcome to our channel, which is run by a pro team. First the channel manager, content writer, and finally the editor.